Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create group chat on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, tap on this option and click on this option. Okay, after that tap on create a new group and select someone. Okay, then select, tap on group name and click on create. Then create a group Facebook. Okay, then that's all to create a group chat on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.